So over here you can see that I have a bunch of emails right here and they are bold, meaning they are marked as unread. If I were to go around and click right here, then I can read this email. As you can see, I can access this email. And as soon as I click outside of that email, it is not bolded anymore. That means it is marked as read right here. I can simply go around and manually right click and then mark it as unread over here as well. But as soon as I click it outside, click again, you can see that the other mail has been marked read and so forth. But you can change how this actually happens as well by using the settings. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto view settings over here. Then I'm going to go around onto message handling. And over here, you can see that mark as read option is here. So it says mark displayed items as read as soon as they are selected. So right now, mark displayed item as selected when selection changes. So when I select it, it's still marked as unread, but as soon as I go outside, it's selected as read right here. But if I were to go around and select this, let's say for example, then what happens is that as soon as they are selected, they are marked as unread. Let me just go around and select these out right here and then mark these as unread over here, just like this, and then disable the selection. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to view settings and then go to message handling, and over here you can see that mark displayed item as read after 5 seconds is an option as well. So if I were to go around and close it, click here and click here, then it is not marked as unread anymore. So I do have to wait for 5 seconds, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I were to go around over here, then it'll be marked as read right here. So the displayed item, it does have to wait for 5 seconds right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto message handling, and then you can see that marked displayed items as read when selection changes, and you can also choose not to mark the items as read by default as well. So whenever you actually go around, nothing actually happens. You do have to right click and mark them as read manually, but I like to have the default option over here. So I'm just going to go around over here and mark the item as read when the selection changes. So if I were to go around, and you can see that the items are marked as read as the selection changes. And that is how you can change around the mark as read settings inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.